Ravi, a knife to the throat and a burning binder next to his body. That's how investigators describe the graphic murder scene of a suburban CEO found dead inside his Crestwood trucking company earlier this month. Now newly filed court documents detail an alleged back pay murder plot.
We have it listed as ATG truckload. Had a call from subject saying smoke seen coming from the building.
When the smoke settled inside ATG truckload on March 5th, investigators discovered a torched binder and the body of Dane Kateski lying face down in a pool of blood. Before the medical examiner determined the 46-year-old CEO's throat had been slashed, investigators had already zeroed in on an employee as a prime suspect.
Early morning on Thursday, about 5:15 a.m., that suspect was taken into custody about 2.5 hours away in Holland, Michigan.
That suspect now charged with Kateski's murder is 53-year-old Joseph Ciclia. According to charging documents, Ciclia was a longtime employee, and CEO Kateski had recently told Ciclia that the company was going bankrupt and that even though Kateski owed a substantial amount of money to Ciclia, he was unable to pay him. Court records spell out Ciclia's every move and CEO Kateski's last moments alive. Security camera footage and Ciclia's cell phone data shows Ciclia followed Kateski into an office on March 5th around 2:37 that afternoon. Kateski takes a phone call and steps into another room out of sight of the camera. Ciclia follows Kateski, and then there was a brief struggle, and then crying is heard from the room, the victim asking why, and the offender responding with, "I had to." On the other end of that CEO's phone call, court records say a witness told investigators they heard scuffling and muffling, and then the victim's phone went dead. Police say Ciclia fled in a company-branded ATG truck they tracked to Holland, Michigan, where court records say police found him in possession of a large folding knife. Joseph Ciclia is now locked in the Cook County Jail without bond. He's battling cancer, according to a filing from the judge in his case. Ciclia will be in court tomorrow. Dane Kateski's family and friends say he was a well-respected member of the Serbian community who leaves behind a 13-year-old son. A GoFundMe has raised more than $100,000 for him.
Good.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.